Welcome back to Digital class, and this is a discussion for book number 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem sum concept. And now we're looking at the proportion concept type 2 normal. So let's look at this question. A total of 1,200 meals pack were ordered for a charity event. There were chicken rice packs, nasi lemak packs. Each chicken rice packs costs $5.40 and each nasi lemak packs costs $4.80. The total cost of the nasi lemak packs was 2,190, more than the total cost of the chicken rice packs. How many chicken rice packs and nasi lemak packs were there? Now, what's interesting is that let's try to write in this form. Chicken rice. Now I have nasi lemak. And now, because here say the total cost of nasi lemak was 2,190 more than the total cost of chicken rice, means that now we are looking at the difference also. Okay. Now I have three things, and I know chicken rice is cost $5.40. Nasi lemak is actually $4.80, and the difference is actually mentioning nasi lemak minus chicken rice. Okay, NLCR. Okay. Now, if we assume all of the meal packs are actually nasi lemak, which don't have chicken rice, I know that it will be 1200 times 4.80, and that will be 5760. Yes, correct. 5760. Is that correct? Because if I times then I minus 0, it will be 5760. Okay. Now, however, if you look at the question carefully, the question actually is one when nasi lemak minus chicken rice is 2,190. Means that now we are expecting here to be 2,190. The question now is asking when this is 2,190, what is the meal packs for chicken rice and nasi lemak? So of course we can't just minus one by one, like try and arrow and go down one by one, right? So what we can do is actually we find what is the difference here. So what we do is we use 5760 to minus 2,190. And we will find that it's actually equal to 3,570. 3,570. Okay, now again, what we need to find out is difference D. Means that when here is 1, here is 1,199, what is the difference, or what the amount that actually decreases? Okay, so if you press on calculator, 1,199 times 4.80 minus 5.40, you actually found out that it's actually equal to 5,749.80 cents. And it actually decreases by 10.20. So to make it easier for you, why it decreases 10.20 is because we know that chicken rice is 5.40. If we add with nasi lemak, that will be 10.20, which is exactly what it is. Okay, so I know that the big difference is 3,570, and if every time I have one chicken rice, it will decreases by 10.20. So very simple. What we'll be doing here is we use 3,570 to divide by 10.20. Then I will know that how many times did I minus. Okay, then you'll find out it's actually 350 times. And if you know there's 350 times that you minus, there will be 350 chicken rice, because you're minusing going down, right? So this is the number of chicken rice. And of course, if you want to look for the nasi lemak, very simple. We know that nasi lemak, total have 1,200. So we just use 1,200 minus 350. That will be the amount of the nasi lemak, which is 850 nasi lemak. And we are actually done for this question. Of course, if you feel like a bit weird, but actually what we are doing is still exactly Tado method. Okay, you see exactly the same, but you might feel like why Mr. Law today is like explaining something different. It's because there's some interesting way that the question now putting it is that 2,190 more than that. It doesn't say that actually he pay how much or something. That's why I need to specially explain this part so that to avoid you to being confused. Okay. Now, let me just quickly explain the algebra method. When it comes to algebra method, the same thing. I know that n, let me just name n as nasi lemak. Let me and c as the number of chicken rice. Now, I know what happened is nasi lemak I have plus with the chicken rice I have for sure is 1200, correct? This is the total of meal packs we have. So I know that nasi lemak is cost 4.80. So I know 4.80 times n minus chicken rice 5.40 times c will be equal to 2190. Why? Because this is what given, right? Nasi lemak more than chicken rice. So I need to minus. So the same thing here, the same concept here, we are looking for what? We are looking for, example, chicken rice and nasi lemak, right? So we can choose either one. Example, now I'm choosing nasi lemak first. I want to find nasi lemak first. So let's try to minus chicken rice first. So again, if I want to minus or eliminate the chicken rice, I will times 5.40 to the whole thing. So here will be 5.40n plus 5.40c, and press on calculator 1200 times 5.40, we'll get here is actually 6480. And we are repeating writing the same thing for the below one, 4.80n minus 5.40c equal to 2190. Again, the same thing. If you want to eliminate this one, plus, we should put plus here. Plus minus is minus. So this will be eliminate. So 5.40 plus 4.80, there will be 10.20n is equivalent to 6480 plus 2190. So press the calculator, 6480 plus 2190, that will be 8670. Now, I know that 10.20n is equal to 8670. So n will be 8670 divided by 10.20. Then you will straight away get actually is equal to what? 850. And what you need to do for nasi lemak is just use 1200 to minus 850. Then this will be the chicken rice. This will be the nasi lemak. So actually, simultaneous equation doesn't require you to use much brain because you do the same thing exactly. Okay. So that's all for this question. So I hope you learned something on how to solve this, and this will help you to tackle the question. That's all for my discussion today. Thank you so much and see you. Bye bye.